Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fitting the night vision unit to your soldier and confirming controls so there's no fumbling under fire. First, choose NVG in the loadout and verify battery percentage. Low power cuts range and increases grain, so swap if under 50%. Next, bind the NVG toggle to a comfortable key and test it in a safe area to set contrast. Once done, make sure your movement speed and weapon sway feel right because NVG changes, aim framing, and situational awareness immediately. You engage NVG tactically. Flip it on only when needed to preserve battery and your natural night vision. During approaches, pulse the unit briefly to scan for movement and then move with it off to retain dark adaptation. This balances stealth and illumination. Once engaged, tweak brightness and sensitivity to cut down bloom from muzzle flashes or flares so silhouettes become clearer. Also, lean on alternate aiming. Aim down sights can be disorienting with full NVG, so train quick hip-fire transitions. You finish by managing resources and troubleshooting. Carry spares and swap batteries proactively when they reach about 20% to avoid sudden blackout. If you see excessive grain, green smear, or flicker, power the unit off. Wait 1 second, then power back on and lower brightness a step or two to clear artifacts. Finally, practice with NVG across maps because each environment alters perceived range and thermal cues, and if issues persist, relaunch the session to clear engine-level rendering glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.